This technical guide explains how to reset a smoke alarm after a battery change for both standard and hardwired systems. Sometimes after changing the battery, the alarm still beeps, rejecting the new power source. This happens because the alarm stores residual power in its internal memory, retaining the low battery state. To fix this, you need to follow 5 standard steps to clear the memory. Step 1. Remove the alarm. Twist the unit counterclockwise to remove it from the wall or ceiling mount. Step 2. Disconnect the power. Take out the new battery, and for hardwired alarms, unplug the electrical power harness from the back. Step 3. Discharge residual power. Press and hold the test/silence button for 15 to 30 seconds. This action clears the internal memory. Step 4. Reconnect the alarm. Plug the power harness back into the unit and insert the fresh battery. Step 5. Test the device. Reattach the alarm to the mount. Hold the test button until the unit emits a loud beep to confirm operational status. Standard alarms run on battery only and require a device button reset. Hardwired alarms use the home electrical system plus a backup battery and may require main breaker control for reset. For hardwired systems, if grid power remains active, the standard reset will fail, requiring access to the breaker panel. The hardwired reset sequence involves turning off the circuit breaker, removing the battery, holding the test button, reconnecting the battery, and turning the breaker back on. Remember the 10-year expiration rule. If the chirp continues after a hard reset, replace the entire unit. Check the manufacture date on the back of the alarm. This diagnostic flowchart helps troubleshoot. If the alarm still beeps after the battery change and residual power discharge, check the breaker panel or the 10-year expiration date. This concludes the video on resetting a smoke alarm after a battery change.